Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Slack workflow for LinkedIn lead notifications, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Slack website. Log into your Slack account using your credentials. Once logged in, click on the Apps option located in the left sidebar. In the app directory, use the search bar to type in Workflow Builder. Click on the Workflow Builder app from the search results. Now, click on the Create button to start a new workflow. You will see an option to select a trigger for your workflow. Choose the trigger related to LinkedIn notifications. Next, authenticate your LinkedIn account by following the prompts. Once authenticated, you can customize the workflow settings. Add actions to the workflow by selecting how you want to receive notifications. You have options like sending a message to a specific channel or a direct message. Select the appropriate channel or recipient for the notifications. After configuring the actions, review your workflow settings carefully. Make any necessary adjustments before finalizing your workflow. Click on the Publish button to activate the workflow. Test the workflow to ensure it is functioning correctly. If everything works as expected, you have successfully set up LinkedIn lead notifications in Slack. Monitor the notifications in your selected channel to ensure you stay updated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.